Here I'll be teaching you how to purchase domain from Jiggynethost. The first thing that you need to do is to log in to your dashboard. You click on this login here. Then when you click on login, it will take you to the login page. Then you input your email address and your password, then you log in. Alright, just hold on. Okay, when you want to log in, sometimes it might bring out this verification, this capture verification. You select the ones. This one I say we should select crosswalk, so let's select the one that is crosswalk. Alright, so let's select. So once we are done, you click on next. Alright, so you bring out boss. You select the one that is boss. This one is a boss. Select the one that you know that are bosses. Alright, so after you are done with this verification here, it will take you to your dashboard here, as you can see. So to purchase a domain, what you have to do is to click on this domain here. As you can see, this is the menu here. You click on this domain here, then you see many options, either to renew domains, as if you have an existing domain that's about to expire, register a new domain, that's if you want to purchase a new domain, or you transfer a domain from like to transfer a domain to us. Probably you have a domain registered in another registrar or another hosting company, and you want to transfer it to Jiggynethost. That's when you use this option here. But now we want to register a new one, so let's go to register a new domain. Alright, so when we go to this register a new domain, it will take us to this domain search page, where we will check the availability of our domain. Let's search for any domain at all. Alright, let's search for any domain at all. Alright, let's just search for any domain at all. Alright, so once you are done searching, once you are done entering your domain name, you click on this search to check for the availability. As you can see here, it's scanning, and luckily this domain is available. So all you have to do is to click on add to cart. Alright, click on add to cart. When you click on add to cart, you click on checkout. Alright, click on checkout, so you take it to where you finish up with your registration. Alright, here if you want to add let's say you want to add DNS management, and other add-ons like ID protection, you add it. But if you don't want to add it, then you still go ahead and make your order. Alright, so all you have to do is to click on next, continue here. When you click on continue, it will take you to this checkout page. Click on checkout. When you click on checkout here, you select your payment method and your contact details. Alright, so here I'm going to pay with Paystack. Alright, if you want to use normal bank transfer, you select this one now, but this one now require you sending your payment receipt to the admin. So for us to do it very fast, you just use this Paystack, right? Because Paystack, everything is automated. So you click on complete order. When you click on this complete order, it will now take you to the Paystack payment page. Alright, as you can see here, it's still loading. So all you have to do is just allow it to load, and after loading, you make your payment, and that's it. Alright, there are many options here when you want to pay with Paystack. Either you pay with your card, or you pay with transfer, or you use bank. But the safest and fastest one I will recommend for you is this bank transfer, because once you make your transfer to this account number here, automatically this page now will update. When you make your payment and click on I'll send the money, or if you are using OPay, you can just click on OPay and authenticate the payment. But for me, I strongly recommend this transfer. Alright, so that's all for purchasing a new domain on Jiggynethost.